Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable battery protection in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to battery. And here select battery protection. Just turn on this button to have battery protection and click over battery protection. You will have three options: basic, adaptive and maximum. Keeping your battery at a full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. Okay, choose an option before to protect your battery and make it last longer. Okay, so first option is basic. When you have selected basic, what will happen? When your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops. Okay, drops down to 95%, and then charging will start again. Okay, this is basic option. If you would like to use adaptive, use select second one. Okay, use maximum while you are asleep and switch to basic before you wake up. Sleep time is estimated based on your phone usage patterns. Okay, then maximum. If you would like to use maximum battery protection, use it. Your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. Okay, so when it reaches 80%, battery charging will be stopped. Okay, that is called battery protection. Okay, from basic to maximum you can set. Okay, if you don't want to use this battery protection, just turn off this button so that you can disable battery protection in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. In this way, you can easily enable or disable battery protection in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.